We're here today functioning. Obviously, we're taking precautions. Obviously, we're doing things differently. We're a little bit out of our comfort zone as a body. This isn't the way we normally work. But the point is, we're here in Washington, D.C., and we're working. And while we disagree very strongly over this particular piece of legislation, later today, we will vote in overwhelming bipartisan numbers for another relief package, Madam Speaker, for the American people. That's the fourth time in a row that we've done it, and we've done it without partisanship. Doesn't mean there wasn't hard bargaining. Doesn't mean that everybody got everything they wanted in the package. Quite the opposite. Everybody gave up some things that they wanted. But at the end of the day, we did come together. Now, personally, I wish we would have put money earlier in the Paycheck protection program, but I certainly don't begrudge the additional money for hospitals and testing. So hopefully we can avoid that in the past, keep programs that are working going, fine-tune them where we must. There's certainly some changes that can be made. But I think on balance, we ought to look back and say, at a time of great crisis, Congress has continued to function and has come together in a bipartisan manner and has done important work on behalf of the American people. We have a lot more important work to do. There are many, many challenges that are going to confront us. Secretary Mnuchin sometimes calls the response to coronavirus a baseball game with 9 innings. And I suspect we're completing the 4th inning today, Madam Speaker, with the ultimate passage of the additional resources for the CARES Act. And again, while we disagree on this one, I'm going to talk about that in a second, we agree on the most important act of the day, which is getting relief out the door to the American people and sustaining our economy under a time of great stress, helping our health care workers that are on the front line, trying to make sure we have the robust testing that's necessary so our governors can make good decisions when they grapple with the tough issue of how they're to reopen their respective states.